I just picked up this Povey from Edelkrone. Edelkrone makes all kinds of camera heads, jibs, attachments, slides, electronic and robotic dollies, all kinds of crazy expensive cool equipment that I can't afford. But this Povey right here is $50. It's their cheapest product. And a lot of content creators and YouTubers have picked these up. It basically goes around your neck. It's a magnet for your camera and gives the audience that first person, one-on-one view of what you're actually doing. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Now the box is pretty cool. It kind of gives that Apple product look. Everything's white, simple, clean lines and colors, and not too much markings on the box. So here we have it. Pretty simple. So I'm assuming it goes this way. It's pretty rigid construction. Looks like you have the flathead screw right here. You can tighten that up to maybe adjust the tension on this. And I guess it just goes around your neck like so. Comes with 2 magnets. There you go. It's a pretty strong attachment actually. The shipping's actually fantastic. It's a rigid foam, perfectly cut out to keep this safe in transit. So let's get my phone, hook it up, and see how it works. Okay, so as I stated, it came with 2 magnets. You just take your phone, peel off the white sticker, reveals a sticky tab, and just center it on your case. And that's about it. You got a second one, I guess, in case that breaks, or you have another phone you want to hook it up to, or maybe a partner's phone. So the instructions say this is meant for simple activity, not for mountain biking down a cliff or skydiving. I guess too much shaking and the magnet might dislodge itself and the camera will fall off and you'll damage your camera. So I guess we just put it on. Alright, so I guess you just put this there and there you go. Pretty cool. It's holding. It does feel solid around your neck. There's not too much movement. I guess the only issue is you really can't see what you're recording. But it's solid. I can move it down, up. It doesn't slide. It's not loose. So I know I shouldn't be doing this with a $1,000 phone, but I gotta see how strong this magnet really is. Looks pretty good. It stayed on. So let's go see how this thing really works. With the swift action of hammering a nail, the camera did fine. It didn't fall off the magnet. And here I was able to feed my flesh-eating piranhas, and I didn't even lose a finger. Look how aggressive they are. Man-eaters. Now the Povey's not recommended for any action sports or just general chaos, but I figured what the hell, let me try it. It was easily able to stay on the magnet while riding around my street on my mountain bike. And I was easily able to film myself using the facilities, and it didn't fall in the toilet. How to sanitize a mobile phone? Well, for starters, don't use it in the bathroom. So I've had some fun with this thing. It's actually a pretty cool product, and for $50, if you're a content creator or video maker, it's a cool little gadget to give you that first person one-on-one view. So I recommend it. It's strong, it's sturdy, the magnet's solid, so pick one up. So this product review was a little off of what I normally do, but if you're into any kind of home remodeling, DIY projects, construction, and tool reviews, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.